You climb up to prevent water damage, but one badly placed ladder or one aggressive cleaning tool can bend the gutter, crack a shingle, or turn routine maintenance into a roof repair. Safe gutter cleaning begins before you remove the first handful of leaves. Work only in dry, calm conditions. Place the ladder on firm, level ground and use a stabilizer so its weight rests against the wall or fascia, not directly on the gutter. Never lean sideways to reach the next section. Climb down and reposition the ladder instead. Wear gloves and begin near a downspout. Remove large debris with your hands or a plastic gutter scoop. Avoid sharp metal tools that can scrape the gutter coating, puncture a hidden seam, or damage the roof edge. Keep your tools inside the gutter. Don't pry against the first row of shingles or lift the drip edge, the thin metal strip directing roof water into the gutter. Bending that edge can send rain behind the gutter and into the fascia. Once the loose material is gone, rinse the gutter gently with a garden hose, working toward the downspout. High-pressure washing can force water beneath shingles and separate gutter joints. If water collects instead of flowing, look for a sagging section or incorrect pitch. Cleaning cannot correct a gutter that slopes away from its outlet. A downspout that remains blocked can often be flushed from the top using ordinary hose pressure. Stop if water backs up immediately. Forcing a rigid tool around an elbow can separate the downspout inside the wall or damage a joint you cannot see. Finish by checking for loose hangers, separated seams, rust, and water staining behind the gutter. Clean one safe section at a time. The goal is not to finish without moving the ladder. It is to clear the drainage path without damaging the roof that the gutter is supposed to protect.